Welcome back to Ride JBI. I'm JB. Today we are finally releasing the JBI Spec KYB Shock DIY kits. These are going live this afternoon. Now, depending upon the exact bike model that you have, there's going to be some variation in how you receive the kit. Now, for the majority of them, you're going to get multiple items from us. Of those, you're going to get our JBI Titanium Compression Adjuster Piston. That'll be with every single kit that we sell and for every model bike. Also with that will be custom built JBI compression and rebound shim stacks that go on the main piston. And they're also going to provide you with a new shock seal head O-ring, and a new nut for on top of the shock shaft. Now, certain models we're going to provide a new bladder cap with. Those would be for shocks that do not have a Schrader valve style fill on the shock. So we're going to give you our new JBI bladder cap that does have a easy to use Schrader style fill. And then also the majority of the models will come with our JBI black bottoming bumpers. The only models that won't come with this will be a few that we have yet to develop a bumper for. Now, complete details we'll have on ridejbi.com. We don't quite yet have an install guide, but for those of you that know how to service shocks, revalve shocks already, this kit will be very intuitive and easy to install, just like the other shock DIY kits we provided and fork DIY kits we have as well. Again, later on, we can do some install videos on how to do this for those of you that aren't well versed. Thanks for waiting on us, you guys. We're really excited to share this with you.